In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to pageless format in Google Docs. Sometimes working in a traditional page layout can be limiting, especially if you're collaborating on a document that requires a more seamless flow, or if you're simply inputting a lot of content without the need for predetermined page breaks. Thankfully, Google Docs offers an excellent feature known as the pageless format, which can provide a more flexible workspace. Let's dive into how you can switch to this format and take full advantage of it. First, you'll want to open your Google Docs document. With your document in front of you, look towards the top of your screen. You'll see a menu bar running across the page, providing various options. You'll want to focus on the option labeled Format, which is generally found around the center of the menu. Go ahead and click on Format. This action will open a drop-down menu with several formatting options that allow you to adjust the appearance of your document. Next, within this drop-down menu, you should see an option that says Switch to Pageless Format. When you select this, it essentially enables the removal of traditional page boundaries, allowing for an uninterrupted stream of text and content. As you scroll through your document, you'll notice that there are no distinct page breaks, providing a continuous layout that can be especially beneficial for uninterrupted note-taking or brainstorming sessions. Click on this option to proceed. This feature is particularly useful if you're working on content that spans several pages and you need to avoid the distraction of page breaks, which can often disrupt the flow of writing. After selecting Switch to Pageless Format, a dialog box may appear, providing information about what this change entails and asking you to confirm your choice. Here, simply click on Switch to Pageless. This finalizes the change, instantly transforming your document into a pageless format. Now, you can start typing or editing as usual, enjoying the flexibility and seamlessness this format offers. It's that simple. A word of caution, however, while the pageless format is versatile and convenient, it's essential to keep in mind that when it comes time to print or export your document, it will still need to conform to traditional page settings. Therefore, if this is an eventual necessity, you might want to plan accordingly. So, there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to switch your Google Docs document to the pageless format. This tool can be a game changer for those looking for a flexible workspace free of any interfering page breaks. Enjoy the endless possibilities that come with this new format. Thanks for tuning in, and happy wordsmithing!